one?
I need the wheel arch just farted up.
Yeah.
Got rid of the rust, repainted, and we've got a new wing to go on. Yeah, new front wing. Literally just need the old one off, that one put back on. It's great. I'm actually selling the car, so just wants to do stuff.
Cool. I'll crack on.
Yay! Come in!
We've taken off the wing because the wing was absolutely ruined, so the customer supplied us with another wing. Unfortunately, he rubbed it down, which doesn't always help. So you think it's going to make it life a bit easier for us, but it actually doesn't. So I'm going to have to 2K prime it all up now to try and get it flat again. And there's a bit of rust, a bit of damage on the rear quarter, so we're just tidying that up, ready for it to be resold basically. Filming up there.
I was trying to do a transition from the Jack Daniels bottle to you.
Oh, sorry. And then I was there chatting away. Went to go and paint last night. Thought I'd get the paint on it before I go home so it was nice and dry, ready for the morning. As soon as I put paint on it, the paint reacted with old paint that was already on there. So tried every trick I know to get around it and nothing really worked. So I lacquered it in just to try and stop the reaction. Looked lovely last night, looked like I was going to be there, quick scotch in the morning, repaint it. And then again, when I came in this morning, it had all gone again. So we ended up to get a product called a bar coat. Now a bar coat is designed to stop any reactions. So I've had to flat it all back down, bar coat it, and now we've painted it. And it's managed to do it without reacting. So today we have back in the taxi that we've repaired. Obviously we repaired the other side. Unfortunately he's not having much luck at the moment. On the road the other day, he had a push bike run into the back of him, put a couple of dents in the tailgate. So once again, painting the tailgate for him. Friend Marcus took the piss out of my concentration face and now I don't know what face to pull. That's a twat.
Give us a few.
Inquisitive. Interested. No, because you end up putting these on a YouTube video.
Looking alright.
No, don't do that. He's already taking a piss out of me looking at twat as it is.
What's his name?
Marcus.
Hi Marcus.
Hi Marcus. The thing is, he's got one of the most stupid faces I've ever seen and he's there taking the piss out of my face. Fuck you, Marcus. Lovely.
Have you got to repaint the whole tailgate?
Yeah, so what I'll do when it goes to painting this one is I will be blacking over the top of the repairs and then be lacquering the whole tailgate once again.
It was at the back. Fuck's sake, fuck's sake!
What have you fucking kicked over now?
Oh, he's tripped over two things and then headbutted the mini wheel. You better edit this because I've got no makeup on. Otherwise, I'll just be like that. Blurt me out. Feel like a little celebrity.
Yeah.
Yeah. Fucking mad little pain in the ass that you are. It's a tyre pumper apparatus to pump up a tyre that's flat on an Audi, on our Audi. You know the battery's going to be flat as well. Bet you the battery's flat. leaking out of that. We'll see if there's any air left in it when Morgan comes and gets it in an hour. Is it just me or does that look like it's going down already?
I'm masking it up now to put some 2K primer on it. Once it has been 2K primed, I'll block it back again, make sure it's real nice and flat. And then I'll be prepping up the whole tailgate, mask it up, and put some paint on it.
Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3.
What's his name? Good girl, Laura.
Okay, so that's that one finished then. So we've put a new wing on it that was supplied by the customer. The old one was completely battered. Obviously repaired the back of it for him. So I'll get it washed off now and he can have that one back. If you're on to the next job.